how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so for today's video, basically covering what I ended yesterday's video with, where I basically did a quick little video about the iPhone 6s Plus. And you know what, it's pretty solid device. Got at a very good price. Actually, I didn't get it, my lady got it for me as an early Father's Day gift. She got me one more other gift too, but I'll show that here to you in a second. But yeah, really solid. Check my video, it'll be at the end of this video, and the little, you know, little pop-ups that come up at the end. But anyways, so I said at the end of the video that I was really stoked to get something, and I gave a clue that it was panda colored. And I even tweeted about it because I was so excited. I mean, when I saw this, because I go on OfferUp, and that's where I find a lot of these devices that, you know, people are obviously getting rid of. They don't need it anymore, and so I go in and buy them. And yeah, but this particular ad I saw on OfferUp came from a company called Yakety Yak, so I'm giving them a shout out. They're not sponsoring this video, but the shop is awesome. So if you live in Phoenix or Tempe, Scottsdale, or even Mesa, definitely check them out because they got some solid devices that you can pick up. Obviously, yes, some of them are used, but they're in like really great condition. Okay, this iPhone 6s Plus in solid condition. Okay, and the dude even replaced the battery for me. All right, he replaced the battery for me and put a fresh battery in it. You know what, so when I seen he had this other thing, I was like, what? Like, what? I've been looking for that. I've been looking for that for a while. Everywhere that I've looked and seen this, it was never in great condition. And so it's panda colored, and yeah, I mean, okay, so yeah, it's got some issues to it. Okay, of course it's missing the antennas, and you know, it's got a spinning arm complex. Okay, like he's trying. Okay, he's trying, everybody, come on, give the little heart panda Android bug droid a break. But no, I actually got this, the Google Pixel 2 XL, in a great condition. Okay, it's got one blemish on it, and that's obviously because they probably had a case on it, which is why I hate cases. I like cases because they protect your device. I hate them because they leave marks when you know, take them off after keeping them on for such a long time. But nothing too drastic. Okay, so you can see the body itself is still pretty solid. Screen solid, no cracks, no dents, nothing like that. And crazy, I'll share the story with you guys because my heart literally sank for like 2 minutes. So I went to the shop. It's located in Mesa. Okay, I'll have their website in the description for those who live in my area if you want to check out the shop and look for a solid phone. They got all kinds of phones: iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, you know, S10s, S9s, S8s, Note 10s. He's got them, different various iPhones and whatever, he's got them. So yeah, I went to the shop, got there like about like 9:58. Okay, I was so excited to go and get this phone. 9:58 a.m. I was there. He was not there. He was running late. He showed up like about like 10:10 a.m. So 10 minutes late to open his shop. He goes inside. I'm pretty respectful. Okay, like, just because he's there, I'm not gonna hop out and just start talking about the phone I want to buy from him. So I'm like, I'm sitting in my car and I'm waiting until that open sign lights up, and then I'll walk in. And so the sign lights up, we walk in. I let him know, like, hey, you know, I'm the guy that messaged you on OfferUp about buying the Google Pixel 2 XL. He's like, yeah, I got it. So he grabs it, and he's like, I need to check this one because I think the camera on this one doesn't work. And my heart sank because I was like, no, please. You know, it's so hard to find one in my area. Okay, I can probably find one that someone will ship to me, but I don't trust it being shipped to me. I'd rather just see the phone, test it, and buy it if it's good. And so my lady's sitting there with me, and she can see the look on my face. She already knows I'm about to like have my heart just sank all the way down. And then he grabs another device, and I'm looking at him like, I don't want anything else. I wanted the Pixel 2, but then I noticed that second device he grabbed was a Pixel 2 also, and they were both Panda variants. It's just one of them, the back camera wasn't working, and so he powers them both on. He's like, yeah, I'm selling you the one where the camera works. And I'm like, oh, okay, cool. You know, so really cool, really honest guy. And you know, he let me activate my Google Fi SIM in the phone and then test it out, make a phone call, check the speakers, check audio, microphone, all that good stuff, camera front and back. And yeah, so I got it. So my lady literally got me the iPhone 6s Plus and the Google Pixel 2 XL for an early Father's Day gift. And you know, babe, if you see this video later, I love you so much. Thank you so much for I could not be happier. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear the enthusiasm and the excitement in my voice. Sure, it's not a Pixel 4. It's not a Pixel 4a. It's a Pixel 2 XL, but I mean, I got both of the exclusive colors for the second generation, okay? The kind of blue 16:9 aspect ratio display, I can see the difference in it already. 18:9 on the Pixel 2 XL Panda colored variant. Yeah, so currently right now, as far as Pixel devices that I have a Pixel 1, the Pixel 1 XL, the white version, silver and white. My eldest son has that device and he loves using it. I have the Pixel 2, the Pixel 2 XL, the Pixel 3, which I'm filming with this. Well, I'm filming this with, bleh, and then the Pixel 3a. Solid. And I still have, you know, the iPhone 7, the iPhone 6s, the iPhone SE, the iPhone 6s Plus. I still have those. But condensing everything down from, you know, 4 daily driver device, which is insane, and I'm asking to get robbed. Just condensing it down to 2 devices. So these are my daily drivers going forward. Google Fi on this one, Visible on this one, and the AT&T is actually in the Google Pixel 2. Yeah. I was gonna say 2XL, but no, the Google Pixel 2. It's in there. So yeah. And I didn't even realize this until I got back, but the Pixel Buds kind of goes with it. So this is like, okay, that was totally random and not planned, but pretty solid. So yeah, just kind of like matches out well with it. Yeah, so that's my device. Like I said, it's not a new device. It's not a new device, but it's new to me and I'm excited for it. So I am going to make a follow-up, like review, actual, you know, review using the iPhone 6s Plus. That's coming down the pike later on. I'm also going to be doing a video on the Google Pixel 2 XL, and also some photos are going to be uploaded to my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do so you guys can see these photos. I'd rather just you guys go to Instagram and see these photos than me like putting them in the editor and just having the resolution tampered and screwed with the editing software. So just go to my Instagram, you guys will see it. I will label what photos is taken from the Pixel 2, the iPhone 6s Plus, the Pixel 3, you know, I'll do that. But anyways, guys, I'm like super excited. Wow. And yeah, so I'm gonna be messing around with these devices for the next couple of days and just get a feel for them, how the battery life is, and for the way that I use them, just those things. So if you guys have any questions about either one of the devices, the iPhone 6s Plus or the Google Pixel 2 XL, and you guys want me to answer them in the my review videos of them, let me know. Leave those questions in the comment section of this video, so that way I have them, so I can kind of just go off of those and not just like throw a whole bunch of stuff in there. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed my little tech vlog, I guess you can say it, just sharing with you guys, smash that like button to let me know. And if you just found my channel and subscribed, thanks for doing that. Really appreciate that. And you can also be notified when I upload new videos by just hitting the bell icon. That will tell you when a new video of mine has been uploaded. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna jam out of here, going to sleep now, and you guys are probably watching this tomorrow already. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, Law.